Ghana beam.
I'm
on my bonting and my twins and says, see, when you have such another stuff.
Players and Asana.
Me, yes, Alexander, you could say, why, when you be uncle, Babara Maneko. Akoya ya de bo fa na ho saara
da bi me de nya no kra kwa me so so mobiem dia
wo so mobiem
na se ni pa adwen pa kra ni nti
openi mi nim de nti onu ma me pa cho yo onu ma me kire se nti ati se di obegbo ama Black Stars obi anim hwe
oni na
obi anim hwe
ade ya oni bodra da re bo ba ro
obi anim wo hwe ket de
kwa me ade me de ni ya da ho
secret ba ketokri kwa koda
anya sa my nana Sam George kan wan se mle bi otwam enye onu a
ense mu
se oye panyin bi
yes
enye onu a
yes
so mne opa
football people you are open on model yi Black Stars ne ye
kwa me ade de wo mo wa da wo
mu dia da ho mu dia da ho clear pa
me dia se nipa no wo willingness say obebo mo minor many problem
fine
but kwabrani na abie nanum aka say omo biem
was it Ghana for kind of nsem bebre de nti omebo game e magana biem omebo game e magana biem o kan sa anso no o ma metwensan ye o ma me pache o ye o mechire mu senti a ya ti ya ne squad ne bae no de di kan bae 40 something no o kan ho 26 bae no o kan ho and the last 23 o kan ho
well e coach ni so say on na say o ye player obetime use na
nti o ma ko panajo
mako kama yacho
say we see baby coach no so na play go to be ball di coach na go panajo Ghana
me dey bia me kun se obi a woni willing heart so be yam force
Debbie
obi onya kuma se
yes sir
mi wo ma ade ya me
ye
oje good said dey cry you so no
ane
oye good said dey cry
Debbie yeah mfane
da baby
this was no this was friend him sa
nani pan waji live we still
and still sa unya no kra na wo ye
oh me dey bia me kasa ade akra ro se kwa me untimi nya kra na u show odo
yeah ne hu say utu anamo
oh
ba wo mi hu hwe ye ntehwe ye friends wa omfa wo a wo ma
Obon ma ade no ontimi nya commitment
ane no a chiru mu so what ade
say you see the fun one dey chiru mu
no the dressing so the dressing code be big man thank you
che obi abefre na amfa what you say
afi obanchire mu bebiri ensiye babara man obechire mu achire ba bia ha onu firi ni ba bia woze kokko sase firi se de woze emielo enso o ma me da
e ya se technical ina gusi e ti gule guti nya kana
ale e so faso re de omi unse de ejuma this is
oba body dia mi chiri kura
masa oba no wana obetirim za onyeda
ana football de o se kwang kokona
ana wose onya defender bi o ti sei
o forward power na
ana de ye de sei ana wose we gina ha na communication koso na mutumi ana ha me Simsa.
And the football there technically no. O technical na amwa wa Kwame. Dem ya be dincho.
Oh yes. Yes. Because you physical say ye laterals no ma 3 no. Tokru da ho nyenne. The bia nti nyanya obi a me she ho ye.
Enti dia obi a me she ho. You want say so na ntire ho. na yeba justification approve na untimi
na do prove mo na train out with him bodo na mfa so ni say ene jai kam ye hu se ni mo ani e ma ne ba ansana na wo se be chere foreign players no say dey how na gwa
am say no be dia na mo
da bi mo
amwa kanso no freeze no onya o be say
o kana azemti no erashi
Blasters no and you be a Japanese.
David. You be a Japanese.
I mean, the day you cry up and chin the day.
Oh, Stephen Apia, you retire. Stephen Apia, you retire. Sami go for.
I say, oh, what I got a difference over you.
Me dog mistake back.
Okay, I want a baswa, that crop. Sa pass no ma question. And a chief. I know. Yeah, super na. Baba Raman so wa yam from so ya so your friend. Back up. Eh? And where one be kunu top players.
Why? And you ma shama how ye awo still awonye. Still. Ade.
And is a bear blaster and sadia.
Emwa.
Because I encourage the other talent.
Yes. Whereas we sure say we young players were Ghana had number 3 no bit me batching Baba man.
Now we senior player now. If you also na head of.
Yes, head of a
lecturer.
Ane.
So boy. Na adwuma ne ba na wonya. Onso ompia ho ko se chairman kwada na.
O meye no so meye.
Enye e dia.
Enye say na say no. Say no.
Dabia yesem papa.
Kosi.
To sa no abodwumi na afuji.
Koda.
Na dabia sa.
Na munso ane ka front nso na nkwara yi tim sa.
Kwame. Apai ye bedi komo. Na LGBTQ+ they are there happy. Say no. I don't know, but I'm happy with His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say. I don't know, yeah, Parliament for Apasi and Jesse was until scrutiny in Yama or no other fin and Yapimun. And I'm hope kaka. Yeah, what ye, Reverend Tim for Joe. And then some more kafa on this LGBTQ+, no. Then Yama who say, I was say, and yeah, because Kwame say 22. And ye free me at 31 Abishim. And I'm saying, how? I dear music Kenya for adopt to say it the best. And then there are substitutions are 22. Though any people say, Bama or more can say, oh, when you have to reduce when no emotion. But baby, I'm for concern one, a promotion no. So show them we had their Kwame na who's your dear. And you'll be never. Be mistake abe pie so a o show dem ye no lock pro na wan ye hu
yes ane
ba bi emre bi me tena ye na me service me ko tra akoi da bia am akwo free center na da bia incense no wa hia e o dura ni wona incense ajo on to say me nya ni ko rasta
say na code bi she baby
e o bu di code
so bu di code sa na I was here the incense in the film. A film say papa bibia. Ne nya fragrance foforo. Nipa nye. Nipa nye o. Kwame nipa nye o. Nipa ya bo bone. Ha.
Ye fotimra. Etim fojo.
The record reflects. And let no one twist our position. Let the record reflect. We are not. And let no one twist our position. The human sexual rights and family values bill. As a matter of fact, we have been consistent in our position and our principles. We are not against Parliament authority to legislate, but we are not attacking MPs in any way. All that we are saying is that our concern is twofold. That the bill appears, and not only appears, substantially has lost the force and the bites and the thrusts, the deterrence, the efficacy that it contained and carried in 2024. Let the record reflect. And let no one twist our position. We are not against the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill. As a matter of fact, we have been consistent in our position and our principles. We are not against Parliament's authority to legislate, but we are not attacking MPs in any way. All that we are saying is that our concern is twofold. That the bill appears, and not only appears, substantially has lost the force and the bites and the thrusts, the deterrence, the efficacy that it contained and carried in 2024. Let the record reflect, and let no one twist our position. We are not against the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill. As a matter of fact, we have been consistent in our position and our principles. We are not against Parliament's authority to legislate, but we are not attacking MPs in any way. All that we are saying is that our concern is twofold. That the bill appears, and not only appears, substantially has lost the force and the bites and the thrusts, the deterrence, the efficacy that it contained and carried in 2024.
Okay, Auntie, that is Reverend Tim Fojo. That Ojida minority at the back. So, as what can I say? As minority, yes, say beer. Bill na omu passing the home. Sa proper family bill na omu babe passing the bia omu di omu tia LGBT. And for that, I can tell you, say, any papa kwa consistent. Mra omu wapa, any mra omu opposition, ain't team for you. So matters relating to another related to LGBTQ plus day. In team Fojo is the top notch. Or no na top notch and mommy. That's some na top notch those days. But as a new soon in opposition and a new soon in power. But wait here consistently, bra. Forget about no. Consistently. When Emra or majority side, even at the time, no a deputy minister. And we are MPs ni bebre no. The entire no musro sa be we no. So mbe sponsor. And I be you and but you be hide behind this group of people that almost sponsor and because of say. You be deny access to certain countries in the future. Cause you target sa. Ne bia well lose it on the diplomatic near the na. Oh kwa brochira. Because of that target. All of them no musuru. Bebreda no musuru. But Reverend Tim Fojo has been consistent. Time I know opposition is or part nisuhano. Or opposition nisuhano. And these are things minority was calling for. And for this time, for so far on press conference, I agree with them 100% for the first time you will. Adiano say say no. Ana mo say Kenya kura befa. Yo mo say sana ye Ghana no mdi Kenya hye onti bia Ghana no mdi Kenya wura. Omo anyi ba ko amfirim asa twrosem ye nyi bi mfirim ye mfa bi nhyem. Ana into verbatim omo de ne saa paase ye. Ehu ane emre bi MPP aban wopa na Dr. Amin Adams mo ka no musuro ye se ya nhwe ya support bia ye benya no emma biem. I don't know we are afraid of that when they were in power. And some judge said say sa some na ye can Kenya for apasi. Nanso so IMF is still dealing with them. Support also omunya. Say Trump na musuro America some na musuro dia. Trump shouldn't be a threat on that because I don't know crowd LGBT in stand. And moreover, aid no de mayen when it comes to health. Omatwam. And you know, in the country back home, so and you say you so mujam nanka America fui. And Abia, the Queensland. Omukran, we saw what happened. And today, na ye who am I? Bila obi yen yakwa dadwe ho atro. Na nyamya my leaders dance atro. Na fe omayi 21 Ephraim. Omayi 22 Ephraim the 31 of them. Said dentia. I don't hear person yet say enye bibia. Say bia was too harsh. They should tell us. Abia is against some laws ya yanka say memu ebechechiri in the unforeseen future and the assembly brain. They should let us know. Now listen to Speaker Babi. This is what Speaker Babi said. Ebra no ni o mai mo sin wo tukwan oba ya obehu say parliament apase o ma ya amendment wo ma change bi wo a obehu no. This is what he said. Oh, the same LGBTQ plus. Kwame, anapai rum LGBTQ plus.
Obeni, ma mentia na me ma yatie for achina ya no mase. Se omo kasa fidie ni omo kasa fonyini eda Sompa. Na yanka cho mo ze yani so anopa bia se omo keep your company na omo ni ye edi juma na LGBTQ plus I ni na sefo no e ka me aye se ye parliament no me to mean tiase say the minority the majority bill ba coupe Kwame ya die ne back and forth front and back na majority say ya foaso minority say ya foaso na minority say sa free opposition and ya de ba bemu nso they say I tone no next style don so asesa and then we must say at the chair we must say. So I was just asking myself this simple but one question say inti bill no ehia me members of parliament yi na fenso bill no ade a eba be boa Ghana 40 memufo na boa na ye culture no ya believe no ya religion na ye nyina ye gitum ye wom na ye family values ne enema ye gitum wo mem ha astimem for no e concern edma ye members of parliament no. Why am I asking this question? If it is your concern, Kwame, why is it haven't been able to come to a conclusion or a point of understanding each other? Say, this is about Ghana, this is about the citizens, this is about our belief, our religion, our culture, our family values, and you know, there shouldn't be any kind of politics, there shouldn't be any kind of color, there shouldn't be any kind of NDC, NPP attached to it. But for this time round, we are going to have one reason. We are going to reason in one particular line, say, it's for us. We're not going to give a Mofono any cause to think or to suggest to say Ghana for as a TBI, as a Sunni Bay, as a Anamoyi, as a Saati, womo pe, but womu wulu womu. So we yen to me nyanyina swabako to prove a point to them. Say from Timemufo, from Ghana for every akoda, ever pimpeni, Kramoni, Christoni. Obi a woye they can say ye na nanom sumi na asefo yenyina this is your stand when it comes to sa trumu yi ne sa niema yi enti at least the concerns of Ghanaians your members of parliament aje say NPP new say NDC new wagigi dia free ne timemufo ho timemufo kan ye say na tie enu die di gina so e de akwakoye mmra na Ghana for ye dia tumu ana. Now let me ask this simple question. Say bill na nkasa no, has these members of parliament taken it upon themselves, the trouble on themselves, say let's engage your constituents, because one they vote to yes say young concord represent you more now you making right, you making laws and from Ghana, have they taken it upon themselves? And can any MP tell me say we're engaging the team before, if not all, at least we're organizing one town hall meeting explaining the bill presented to Parliament, to the constituents, for them to understand and to bring suggestions. Say they are on more Parliament, he or she will be different in the presentation to Ghana's Parliament. Ma what ya say me copy me constituency no me kire we no de kire mo wo mo nti ase nie wo mo suggestions nie enti me nso me de aba be ka me input me de ba ye wo parliament na parliament for nso hu say me ni me timamfo ye stand nie, not me ni me political party just like we are seeing now. Many constituents, the decision they have taken is this, not many NPP, many NDC decision of what taking here. Yeah. They are just taking us for a ride and they are insulting us each and every time they will get the opportunity to explain some things to us. And they are just belittling our intelligence because they think, say, after all, we so much love the NPP and the NDC, and so they are be a free NPP, a free NDC, you know, Timemufobia too. Kwame, a ya brajini name tiasia so, and yes, and I said, your parliament, you know, Kwame, for once, let me use this word. I said, omo ya ye ostriperous too much. Omo ya ye too noisy. They are not making any meaningful suggestion, or they are not bringing any cogent point via to the table. Timemufo beka say we dey anamona up Ghana's parliament to know ya tiase ye ditum enam kwemu. De bia ye beti omo a MPP forces say, NDC forces say, minority say, majority say, and I say, I don't kwana yet from. And they, to me, they are disappointment to Ghanaians and our constituencies. It's a great disservice normally when it comes to the LGBTQ plus bill. And on kwano, omo chire and say, sebi, woman nim the omo ye. Because no kwana de ba ko Ghana fo nyina Kwame Ghana fo nyina je atum se we de yempe na se saa de no muntumi mfremu emra emfa mata saa de no ema ne mai exist wo ye mamu ha. You are telling us say you are not useful to Ghanaians, you are not useful to your constituents, and you are not even useful to your political parties. Because Kwame, mentiasie. Na my first one say mentiasie say at least this particular point. Because nka Kwame, almost gracia. Omo allowances na say for the Kwame, do you know pass nka adin ko metwe ne time amana ba be do ba yes.
Yeah, really like that.
No kra time kra Ghana for be catch them would say, ye be catch them say we dey yempene yentiasie kra no. Sa time no mu nyina come to a one line. No more jetum. But this is it. This point, this bill, Ghana for nyina ya show concern wo mu. Ghana for nyina ya kire se yempe nti bill no mon pass ti muntumi ntena se mpanyimfo te se mo lawyers wom, doctors wom, engineers wom, mpanyimfo kukudam wom with certificate and agi muntumi ntena se and draft bill e ma ne represent Ghana for na munyintum e ma ne nijuma. oh mo ya nimguasefo say me use say mo ya nimguasefo na enu nti mo de be frame me privileges committee a mo frame me Ghana's parliament baby amudi adri when it comes to this bill mo ya nimguasefo papa and you have become you are not useful mean you so useless mamo but mo useful mfa mayen mo useful mfa mayen ba kukura sei baku sei adai nti bibia na wose ye no party sem nti bibia na wose ye na MPP ni NDC sem nti bibia na wose ya blinding ourselves with politics nti bibia na wose politics lead yen bibia na wose tambia na yada party and ya church memufo Ghana for ni yada party and ya chira mufo say we are indecisive and we don't know what we are doing as a country bibia at least Kwame wo bakra na wo na wo hwe no kra toda kra Kwame some decisions when you make for your kid that's what mtiasia or disagree with you to let you know say irrespective that when I hwe no when I born a bra kra no we no ntiasia Kwame wo say no aye stubborn kakra wo ho exactly so can't we be stubborn kakra mpa nkyere mrofo no momu hu say as for this one when it comes to this aspect there Ghana for we are firm with it
yeah you must representative
yeah you penny
and yes the penny okotena wa say ese kombedie
I can't imagine
yes you yes the penny kombedie so yes the
and yes the penny
it is saying are you guys there for yourselves or you are there for your constituents
or you are there for your political parties
say mo was say bimpredua samofu anase mo was mo party the umbeka no yodom sem na meji so
oh Charlie
there are things that oya woman yosema etwa maniye there are nyome bu oya woman yosema enyiye these are national issues issues of interest to every citizen not a situation where Islamic form peninsula a Christo form peninsula traditional religion so peninsula proper setup of mind we ankasa
bibie ni ho peninsula
it is also a family value there the family that you are dealing with no yankasa presa ade so be akacho say titiem culture any principle and kwan a ye fa so eji oman ne kuokuo esi ho ethnic group any family values na who protecting over protect your mind there you catch him playing you play for say anything that has to deal with it yempe wo say wo ko ya wo say wo ko tena say yi bia film na den adentia and yes picture yes now listen to even the speaker
yes
speaker no anytime no make sure say I dey remember pass ansana about with 4 years now kwebe listen to what he said.
These visits are intended to offer delegates the opportunity to experience Ghana's history, appreciate the legacy of our struggle for independence, and gain deeper insight into the nation's democratic journey. Pan-African heritage and enduring contribution to the liberation and development of the African continent. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the local organizing committee, I invite all Ghanaians, stakeholders, and the international community, and in particular you, the media, to support and participate in this historic gathering. Together, let us strengthen the African family, preserve our sovereignty, and uphold the values that define our continent. With this, I thank you all for your attention and your patience.
So that is it, Kwame. That's the speaker. That's the speaker. That's the speaker.
I think say I have one word to describe the members of parliament. You see, who say we are perfidious. Asa. That is who they are. Nothing but that word. Nothing but that word. They are so perfidious, you know. Just because like how the near dear back with your many members of parliament more afanum you know until no move to me dear to no one cast with dear you were in one line with dear your Jimmy with dear and no nothing for plenty ye dia momo until for once dako moon to mean come into one line agreement be na mo nyu biribin to mum fam mayen without those haranges. Oh, Charlie, it's too bad, Kwame. It's too bad. Very, very bad. Very egregious.
Of your legislative.
Egregious. They've just proven to some of us, or we are perfidious. They are perfidious. Yeah.
Because me why I do a very difficult time. I don't see why it should be a problem. It should be a subject for discussion.
All of the time, sir. A day.
I don't get back to my past.
Kwame, omo patches omo muye omo fa enya hwe o. Yeti memfo no. Ye ne ayeto aba no. Now the point they are proving to us and they say, ye hu hia ye so nim fa so omo fa enya hwe.
Mato aba ma say koye de me pema. Now kona ko kan sem fofura. You don't even cherish respect me one man say. And respect is reciprocal.
You don't value me.
And you know, they na aba be kan kire bi.
You don't value me.
Then I
don't value me. Timum Ghana for Ghana for your
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So come out with tea. So we are picking the angle from Parliament to the Speaker himself. Now Tibrekes and Angasa. You have the tea breakers and so a kind,
yes, or the two,
and or can send baby. I was interviewing. Also, already do a quarter home meeting. So I could share Ghanaians, our Ghanaians, one baby. I was inside
questions, yes, sure.
And then also I interviewing. You see, me, I like people who are consistent, but so can we now be different? And I mean,
oh yes.
So far, His Excellency have been consistent with some of these things. I hope and pray say oba and why I will change the difference. The same thing now come. Yes, scrutinize it. Now more my idea my president goes say scrutinize that. Majority no so abain. Majority.
Hey.
So president.
Thank you, Samuel Badu. And others, which is whether you will sign the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill.
Oh, wow.
Which your Parliament has passed. We're speaking on the first day of Pride, of the month of Pride here, and there is a lot of interest in Ghana, as well as here in the UK and in Europe. What you will do on this?
The Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill has been a bill that has probably evoked the most interest in Ghana. It shows how, important issues of family values are.
It is not the only reason Ghana is in the news. It has been one.
Yeah. Parliament has been considering it, and it was supposed to have been passed last week. There have been a few issues raised. One, that there wasn't quorum when it was passed. That's an issue that has come up. And then two, there were some procedural lapses in terms of its passage. I just got some communication that the Speaker was reading a statement to address the issue of the lapses in the passage of the bill. And so, like I said, when I was the opposition leader, the president has a number of options in this matter. It must come for assent, and so once the president gets it, you go through it because you are not part of the discussion in Parliament. And so the legal representative, the legal counsel in the presidency and the Attorney General would sit on it because it was a private member's motion. Right. This was not a government bill. And so we'll look at it and make sure that everything is in order before the president is advised to assent. The president has another option. If there are some things that he thinks are a problem, he can refer it to the Council of State for advice. The Council of State is an advisory body to the president, and so they will take a look at it, and then they will advise the president. And if there are issues, substantial issues that are raised, the president would return the bill to Parliament, indicating exactly what the issues are. And so there's still quite a while to go before that bill becomes law.
Thank you for setting that out so clearly. Let me ask you one final one, which is about the Commonwealth.
Enti Kwame. Minimum country abroad no mo be interview president be afa Ghana hon. Omo interest was Ade we sir. Anna from time as Ade we shase. Nanadu Mahamo, odi enyi atamen school film. Omo nyina aye diplomatic. Omo ntimi kan no credit abroad. Omo de nam tenten no asa. Simple. Oh, ebedru onko ade ani ehwem ya me asente. Process no I was a kofa legislature na omuba one say ye ni hobby enti ye ni hobby no ye ni legal representative enti eba na ye nso so ya hwem ye hwem wi a na arokwa kansa na ye de akwa akoma Council of State na ye advisory body to the president enti ye hwe long. They say there's something these guys are not telling us. Oh, yes. There's something. Oh, yes. Obio Bekon will be being diplomatic. And Timid say, the Obia Nuntimus was a diplomacy bahon wom Casabuno. Moba Momekas Antre. Momejna Yamonum. Nam Kodia with some simple question, numbered in the Nam Tentenwa. You guys be beating about the bush, sir. Timoba, the crow, Mumayans young. You say, okay, say, and you be a better key time kakra. Ebi say, Moba na me assemblies of God ni. There's no way I may make them. I'm a Christian. Make them. Nanato say I shall Sophie or also Kabi. Ana media makan Anglican. Me makachem dada. Send me mean pet. But okoni ebusana. And you know the process, and we have to go through all this, and you know, at Parliament have to bring it to us before we ask them that, and people are challenging it in court. Sa near the annual for Brofi, sa na for Rabia Monsu, sa Brofi Kre. That's why we at the end of the day, you know. Look at what is happening. That be art as a rapaholic. I don't know your first question, will rapaholic. Obe asenti. Oh, why not? Sa Parliament, you know the Banam de Ma Council of State home advice me. Ma asenti. Yawie. There won't be any. Na fe na beche the pro. Ade. I had to pay for hey, Sika create Jeffrey baby Tibra pay for them. Hey, why? What's I just a South Africa for pub here? You may crow you. A common margin is so. Hey, hey. Hai la yango pomwai wabe yanko lawa fono so wabe na de no mu ye o men ade no mu ye fakrata ne to so GPR to fujina proto fujina road transport operators jina Kwame krata no mdiaba adopay me say krata o mdiaba no edahini me hear mo bitimi kran huram wi but me say what is happening road transport operators disregard the purported 20% upward adjustment in public transport fares. Into omkrade 20 nkromusi and disregarding put that 30 no. Adentino mukasa. The attention of the executive of the road transport operators has been drawn to media publication of purported 20% upward adjustment in public transport fares effective 2nd June 2026. We wish to inform the general public that the executive of the road transport operators have not engaged the ministry in any transport fare upward adjustment. The decision by the supposed group is illegal and it has not gone through the fare adjustment protocol and procedure agreed between the Ministry of Transport and the road transport operators. We therefore wish to condemn this decision in no uncertain term and request the general public to disregard the publication by the supposed group with the contempt it deserves. Accordingly, all road transport operators, unions, associations, drivers, vehicle owners, loading point managers, and allied stakeholders are hereby requested to maintain the existing approved fares and to refrain from implementing any unilateral fare adjustment until further notice. We are monitoring the next pricing window and should there be the need for any fare adjustment, the public will be duly notified. We remain committed to prioritizing the interests of both our drivers and commuters and will continue to work diligently toward safeguarding their welfare. Mr. Godfred Abubri, General Secretary, Ghana Private Road Transport Union, GPRTU of TUC. Mr. Emmanuel Ohene Yabua still munyano. One floor of Ayabua Mame. General Secretary, Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council. For and on behalf of road transport operators, other distribution is Sasutebiko Ministry of Transport, Ebiko Ministry of Energy and Green Transition. And that's happening to no mere. Energy and Green Transition, no mere. Hey, Kofobi team Kunyabisu Diska Kwao. No mere. Tell ozone layer, you know. The ministry did all press houses, they say. All regional coordinating directors, all MMDs. Minister for, I said ministry for the Ministry of Energy and Green Transition. Okay, Ministry of Energy for no. Say Abujina Pomo. John Jina Pomo, sorry. Ministry of Energy. And you know, okay. And they're very normal. Or the mom's woman, okay, so many fool, no. A show monsa. Mune fool and some. Oh, monsa. Intimisama no pay. Road transport operators, no. Omunina kuno. Omsiska mentia. Timotinaka mamutia. And Ramia make be ma proto for and say, baby, I didn't do no. But no question ne say percentage near was a do no and far protocols almost structure. Our the firm said these are the protocols. And the firm said, wait, the firm we are and Sanya the Buanaba. And this woman young for one my Miss Row, Mentia, or like my Mentia, one to share any more than go to or to show the official Ibabano. Yeah, oh, then I want to pay my chain. Is that what? I'll pay my chain. Okay, I'm going to connect to Mr. Boy now. I'll pay me no. Mr. Boy, my chain. Oba ade adom da so ne abusua no te sei. Wadaroma we de ekoba ye ya discuss ya discussing ya hwe said the niama esi ebeko na ye hu se nkrata bi dika bede number bi ana bi se 30 ebi se 20 tina ye twen se na oya bo amwai anopai mo de aba betu dwanra mo de krata ban se sansem na nam nyina ahuru do radasem mayen fanko eniso krampo na akam to say e de aba ebotom krata ebo na mo twroi e de ensam ankasa na mo pese timem40
yo mena me da se me cha oni o ti ko ni na etene se film meeting na lot of akin ya de no se be to she want to say idea any ministry of transport that stakeholders engineer na yesigina ya see no and I see a diabetes about my phone my say well said ya my article one it is uncommodity and cause I'm going to get information also estimate to our film. Then and I buy the union be a day track a piano to our film. But it has and brown young quite a facility. The prominent capa and they get to say a chance time. And to never exercise.
And money ministry nading come on.
Any minute nading come on. Nemo yon komo titu headed but ne e share da for ne dey back but ni mani nwa dey na fe ne so ne ekosu ya no ansa nti ye no ehu anamoni ti
agba se emre bia ya na minim se aja ekoba se ya mo keka union nyina abom na matena se na mo de aba akurato bia no amaye bi na aja ye de atom framam ene de ye den na union for ni bi gina baabi without a broader consultation munyina stakeholders nyina amemwa another stakeholders gina baabi
ye na mi ka so that is a fan ko na man ke koso na ankoso ntina na ankonko bi show on the babon tin ye na ma ye aka ho mo ye in fact we say afana ye be effective ya in transport person two biggest groups, the GPITU and the GICC, and the issue communicate. And in the issue communicate, say, come apart from your papa, and the entrance time. The amount so you know what I'm almost to say, the Samba table no have to share, needing compo, eating compo, we are. You only have to the trouble team, and the trouble team over here.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. And as it stands now, dear. Increment be any baby.
The increment be anyway.
All right. And me was am crata most more monitor the next a price a floor window no and also so I know bed time bay.
Oh, I started to learn way.
Okay.
By close of day to day, no. Parents in other announce on the price. And the about and they will say a call for further discussion, you know,
okay. Is that what I pay? I'm sure you're not sepa. Yara or Hene Yabua, and I don't pay or tenenka, sir, or no so a church and your mem and so at the Maying and T Oba a Ghana ha road operators or no Anna or da no set. General Secretary, Ghana Private Road Transport. I can't say sorry. General Secretary Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council, GRTCC. Almost come out and a problem there. Why me remuka bina yanko na
Kwame minim se menka se GPRTU ni road transport operators say omo nche da ni coordination bia koso between omo a
omo nche da ni gifiri omo ni
because how come say mona mo say mo ye trip back say no obi to me dey letter the babonte now my question is how for dey no be yo because on my baby deceive public no now association am na mo determine price
and say GPR so you mo determine
and he said body na also mo determine my I didn't tell mo release crata the babonte now I don't know how to continue to be the crata babonte wa bra mo nyina nka mo
manya union therefore as a 5 to only a majority it is a GPR reform and now chair na for secretary ka say GPR reform omo like a disca attitude towards work. You see, sometimes to make Kwame Nkwantabisa recognize us a mother union, and you may be also a proactive.
Oh yes.
And I can say, the emergency thinkers in the doors. What now? My money and baby show there. And out here now, Panica says, "Oh no, Papa, to now, Papa no." And you Mount Emperor before so yes.
Oh yes, sure.
They were waiting for you.
Sure.
GP for Papa Nunca say. Now we na more sickness nature say muye. Et Kwame dear a prevent him say akoma what to the casa first say
yes
ya hu dia koni na name
yes yanto ya bo see it here because Kwame the be hu ano because what your man mu ampanifo ne akanifo ne mra sebedwafo ankasa kura ya omu di omoye na women said and define a certain path for mine say we near koso we near ya sa na be association bi asori a ono be kire no clutching powers e be kire say after all women bear the consequences of whatsoever that is happening, and so they have to make decisions for themselves. I don't think the FM no, because how come now so people occupy 20%, 30% adding at the end of the day, no, the ordinary Ghanaian never bear some all of these and Yamana Erbano without a pay increment, without salary or wages increment. And at the end of the day, or squeezing what time they are to leave. Or squeezing what time they are to leave. The Ubers and I'm so Kwame Nkwantabisa fufuru biso to earn money. This is Kwame Pana Ababe area Kwakwe.
Comrade ni abija babediri babedijelo o ma babedru anope ma memra anope 21st clinic sciatica expert nemo mo ye clinic ankasa o hwe yade bia enro doctors are doctors, nurses are nurses, physiotherapists are physiotherapists, lab technicians, biochemists for biochemists. Just a clinic on its own. Oba ye show modem share ya dear ye how only doctor kasa what's your lab by your what's your class scan a cow a fay ya ma ho aduro so what's your miamia wa physio for home be miamia nemom de man kofo nyina frɛ sciatica ne sɛ sciatica expert sɛ ye ne hwehwemu hu sɛ ya de no sɛ ne tie symptoms ba just say ya de kɛse ba bɛyo sciatica enti e ba no anso no ntema de wobɛkɔ ba bia mpɛ enti anopɛ wo to wo ye dey osisi achitwe wa bɛka na ya sɛ 21st clinic over 15 branches ani yekura wo Ghana ha o de frɛkɔ center no onya fra 24 hours ya wo hod me bɛkyɛ ba bia bɛn 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Kumasi ya wehwan overseas Sompa TV Sompa FM osro ana omuwo form yene Alpha Radio ne ben so oboase o council quarters Court Junction Accra or Tantra Hill saso na Sunyan Regional Hospital se Sunyane Teaching Hospital saso dem kranse e bo techman GN Bank dan da anim yewum oba anopa ye behwew Mami Kancho said the Energy Commission at the abasa no payment Kancho hwenie mo amoma nkofo eye bu mu kwase ano mo hwenie enkofo obi akeke se o ma me waya wodan obi ba be wa wodan a de ntia obire meter ho ne se nipa no onye certified make sure say electrician no ba no is certified or certified in say Energy Commission for aginatum no maginatum awi a obeye wire ni nyina awi a odim de obeye obefre eye certified inspector ne ba obehwe no hu se abomu a SMS beba ma message no nyanya pa ECG fo benya bi netco fo benya bi saso na wankasa benya bi no munyanya pa fa ko hodum process kitwa bi na aka ko na ko tenase o ko tenase a no mu no be wie process no mu no wie process na wanya meter enya afi no obi ba be minimum bi me middle man me connection man me mam kakra enkotua unapproved money bia ms kan nye bebre unya ye ofa kwan pa ne so a sika kitu abi ne kra obitua watua dan se okwa kotua bibi fefa nchen asa no akotua fi ni ade debi yenye ne se bie na evi nkwa nchen kra ni no benya meter no abre wa hwe onya meter papa nso na afi ba ba shishi ofie he odi obi o certified ye wodan ya wodan no onim ahoma e wo so de ye because ono so to certified ahoma because on person the certificate e be je free nsem we are certified or ID card from Energy Commission. Sounds no certificate from Energy Commission. Hey, Energy Commission for crowd app. And no yet certified electrician GH app. And no sa app no. Oko download a certified electrician GH app. And no nya download a. Hey, ni pano ni profile nyina wom. Baby oye adwuma or certified bibia wom. Enti app ni dey also download bi go phone so. Na be boa pa meter je ma ne nya din sa. Emma obi mfo sika nwane fa kwan pa ne so app no nyanya nipa oya certified wo so baby o warning location dwuma oyi nyina na afei wanya no wa be ya ma wa fa process nim ya do meter ma o na akro say dwuma de be sha ase nyame bo next month 1st July eko ana sa process wo famu a meter ho nsem a ye twi nkofo condemn ye pese tu twakra tin Energy Commission for Ade Aba. And open Roman father nedro ne father Martin seba Mr. Nemo yin friend Roman father nedro no Roman father nedro no. And open no kwasem e wom say wonam yo titriti. Stroke anacho. O honam eyo ya. O ho ahwan yo bete. Anase pressure ne diabetes ne how. Yade aye kwa nkure da so. Unya Roman father nedro no eye dido bobobi nyame ahira so. O de ma nyame kwan. No mrem. O kwan be so no fa bra no Roman father nedro no. Now o say yes. A power baby 0247 919 122 0247 919 122 afi 0552 668517 eye Roman father nedro no drugstore pharmacy shop herbal shop bia ebi ewo ho anope RSYD no VG studios studio abama utwa movie utwa skit ye short documentary bia ohia cameras papa ohia creative director ohia studio modern state of the art equipment or facility kama RSYD no VG studio ya on crime malama biase first Kukuko street ho na be huyen anopa Ghana hafa na nyina babia wo ye streaming podcast wo ya anniversary bia wo streaming apese e be fa e ba be fa mo cameras na ni efe wo no handle no so air professionals anopa 057 471 5778 057-471-5778 030-397-4822 eye RSYD no VG studios hwase wasi watade awie na won ye fe na ye baby dishe na udin na say ye bod na say wo fans enso so watade no spray say dey because one fa de a ehwam anwum hwe uyusu washing machine baby a blue no no blue for blue comfort in blue tibi gum nefa Ade Akye powders ni gu nchen esi eno abefa ne mo ayhwam usi ni ofie wasi awie no oba be samfunu mu a bomodin a nefa ebi so ayina nso na be samfunu mu na de samfunu mempu ahuru ne hata uwia akoyi nwoma no kra no ani age emu hwehwehwehwehwem wa hwe obeka so the perfume na egu emu hwehwehwehwem comfort yenyina ni say Unilever for the omo de nwoma ba ye papa Unilever comfort after wash no ompebi hey any otu ho ye dey Unilever after wash bomodia na kwaje wo de enso ho anopaita go e ba misha ene ne capsules be ma de o mema sem no eno ani de eno ani mpem agro hey na so ye impotent hey any kromu amanfo betu di o ofo be juicy kedi wa bra untimi nya hwe enti eta go e ba misha na ebe boawo mesew o ye be ma na se misfunction nyoma nkoya bomodia na kopebi de bobo oni atenka oba be ma oni atenka ya de kopebi infections ane how infections o de po agonorrhea e de infection syphilis infections how nyina kopebi bo e wo pharmacy shop any drugstore bia from 0243 228296 0243 228296 season no adru ho season be ye do akua ye don fu mo amodo vegetables mo amodo cereals OCP fertilizer na die wo mdie OCP fertilizer mo amudi ato so de nyado ntos moko ndi de keka ho eburo emo serious no unya OCP fertilizer e friend MPK no de friend 15 ana unya 10 20 10 na eno so utimi de bo utimi de bo ntos nyado vegetables ne serious nembom udua legumes dia unya OCPTSP ene bomma legumes ekuafo no beka che say eso doso na fertilizer ye de fras as ya utim say wo atoso de no utwamu a ye te se de nyankopon ye ne na nya afi ne baabi e green baabi e yellow ye bi e black na nso ginam debi use fertilizer papa well formulated ya ye ni ye OCP Ghana Limited 0555 909437 0555 909437 afei 0555 909433 anopaye OCP fertilizer ana yede ma comrade anopaye ma chain na umpom ti say
alhamdulillah Allah da romanti ya hoye na Nkwantabisa no le bia no wa fa ho kama onyamreda
ene so
am say government or no government na Nkwantabisa on the the band near solid
na finish ya
nana
nempom ti say
nyamedada no a erade ne mehwefo bibi hiame
na sana chronica
twero no nko na memenko meji twero ni di na twero no ombo obi di so wona twero enipa o twero no na bibia ehia no twero media bibi hia me because e wo twero na mu say bisa
lord remember
bum hwehwe bibi hia obeka je o say bisa enti bibi hia me weda bambone ayete hu o ka say bibi hia wa ebia na wo ya ye kronfo aha enti bibi hia me
maybe you should I'll di komo anti-LGBTQ plus bill still far from becoming law. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said Parliament has passed it, but there will be scrutiny, or best scrutinize it. Niame also do many shame advices and be free council. Aba advice be free legal team no also aba tinye se pra sa e ba no asenti on behwem ye nyina ni agitations aba se nyoma ye free ene nyama ye dia aba afense ye behwe shinti abo enu ade na emu aye hyepa but nay we have EPRT and road transport operators omuka che se ye se no ba bia duru no omu hwa ade ansa for now omu ka che tim mfu nyina 20% na proto amni ada union so kan yenya aboche meba muso ani ahwe cabinet so omu ama green light for MMDCs to be elected and also very important comrade anope yen chance with LGBT building His Excellency Nkoma Wediafa
imo me da say na edi kama mencha wankasa ne utima woni omu edi se edwuma kesi we na sompa de oye den ya osompa no gusu ana mugusu Nyankopon koso anhyiamu na montumi ne edwuma na monfa mo Ghana na mechia honorable Muntaka, a member of parliament who doubles up as the Minister of Interior, at least for a set record be a Ghana bakwasem yeri infinida for the first time I security recruitment obianko tuas teku obianko tuas sompwa nanso Nyankopon ada homa because of say we or qualify no wetimi afa through the process and we share social media amanfo eniaji because they didn't pay a dime to get it enti se nkane na yitimi ye no dem na onte hwe obeti ane ya yewie no enti se enti meboda baso ne dwumasun ya oye na amasa achia Alhaji Mustafa Yarga ono na protocol officer Nyankopon ya adoma edru constituency election na ho brase ne na ho fama wode som MP no ama empumto bibre ena eba aswase potem ho nti ono so ye tiny chi se Nyankopon ya adoma ono so betimi abe substantive chairman no na wakoso a edudwuma na odi aboa asawase constituency na mencha ono abo Ben Abdallah ono na MC na cabinet issue we nanka eduwa edenya bibia kan cause say ya no based on merit ye can MMDC sa omadwumo abobio so far within just this 15-16 months you might prove your more competencies far beyond reasonable doubt. Honorable Ben Abdallah Hassan Odimutituma. Now, the last time I called you from one of from the studio. I know Mubusa be a 24-hour market no ewo and I'm more direction someone call. You see, I feel proud to say it because enya dia yebo itirimuka. Location ho na wankasa kwahwe. Enti Ben Abdallah Yankopon nkoso anhira no onkoso anyedwuma na onfamo aswase constituency. Na mamenchia okumkom. Honorable Wisdom Osebo ama MC for Nwebija. MC sa omo bom ho din o Ghana ha de ono so yi ne firimu a enye yi nti machia na napawe na machia mi angasa menu a Nyankopon ya adoma wono na yede ne ba as a Shanty regional organizer I friend comrade Richmond Osea dodo friend Ostrich wabon homodin ayedwin said this is the time for us to show appreciation by putting youth in leadership positions say dia be obitime deliver na ebie do say dia Dr. Franco Amakohini ayama na yefe no ono so mra mesom na onyama ne nyefe Nana Kwame na LGBT nsensem wi e kam ya say MPP for still na omaso ye din omo nhwa abakosem enhwe de ya e de oye ne yi a e ba ye ya omo lose election historically according to research say one of the reasons why MPP for a lose election in a most disgusting manner LGBTQ ene wo maso brachi omo ye so omo nsan bill no e ka ho Emma sans and same way nyina bae no na ye follow commentary because nipa de be fi wanu maba no ene na be ma ye hu wo trim po Sabio yenya amampeni hodo bebre omo bae from late Jerry John Rawlings na ban ya antiti BBC amampeni kofo efri kire ne se ehwe Ghana fo eni mahwe wiase amanama nyina anim ka asesa de mi nyintum so da it was very emphatic amampeni Mills of blessed memory okay say eye den na eye ye wo me my so there be over my dead body ye nyintum say sikapudo bi kura na mo se mo de be ma ye nti ye nyi sad atantanya de we ntum a mo fa musika nko ye betina ye Ghana he was very emphatic omampani mahama bae o say esum miensa osuma hodo miensa a eye Islam sum no Christianity any even our traditional beliefs frowns on that disgusting thing nti enya de ebesi onyintum Nana Ekufuado ebae sa amampeni hudu ya o make sa emphatic statement Ekufuado enti mean for once and make the position clear on top of that esa kotna Al Jazeera x-ray sa gay community ni queer folks kwanya omo befa so agi omo fa hudie every the oppression by those who resist that because our family values and culture is against it x-ray omo kwanya omo befa so agi omo liberate omo from ye pa ye mpe no e den o kan o say as at the time I no school e London na LGBTQ no ene ne hu adwuma na it was against the laws of Britain. But almost sorry ya omo so through advocacy ekutia enhihyeya eda ho a prohibit omo no e ma land mra no mu bie ma ya accommodate omo enti no se Ghana queer folks LGBT trumu for no so ma omo home so na omo so omo ya advocacy na omo ni aban ne the face wa ebitumi esi Nana Nkwantabisa asemo emebo ana say enokre.
Yes, but to be fair to Nanado in our Anglican bishops he said emphatically said on the GDA Mahopai and he is against LGBTQ. And the main kind is asking Nanado never says he's against the LGBT.
And say o committee Christian communities now catch almost say o GDA Mahopai. Now I mean on an international platform. Eko catch you say okay kwan we so na landing for fast wo moji omo fa hodie enti sa mo so mo fa so a ye mra no betimi asesa ama ya jimatu ma den opa kire yeah let's be honest den opa kire it was under President Akufo-Addo no mo start so mo mount billboards e Accra they were emboldened and no na mass outcry ne by say no adiwe the way President Akufo-Addo ya eye no say ya hwene ya nkasa ho a ya di na agro sa na adiwe ya bedi nyanya okay Kamala Harris free US by the whole Jubilee House was depicted in LGBTQ color rainbow color
She says Ghana flag.
Oh no. Are there any rainbow colors? No. Debbie. No. Rainbow color. They can queer folks color. They can when you Ghana color. Ghana color they say red, gold, and green. That one they no depicting no. And I was by no. Kamala Harris stood at the state of government promoting LGBTQ. I send a question to the government. Say they should accept it. And young fan said we are making any no. And then so a say o mampeni Akufo-Addo ni MPP aban no e bo LGBTQ any community no ho ban a o mo pese ade ne bam. Young fan to nchen. Emrahye badwafo a I mean private members bill a e ba ya yi nyina e ka say e di ho dwuma no. Why mo le frustrated bill no to the core? MPP members of parliament, no members of parliament, they frustrated the bill to the extent say in team 4 jomo yes on the reverend honorable Tampuli mu nyina ba mu ebe so mbe support bill no honorable Ayimedu mu nyina ba mu a yetimi ye amra no yetimi ko mu duodue mu breye na ye de court na di atem na threat ni nyina Sam George na na so ene honorable Moses Amoni 4 omutimi ye amra no amra no wie no omampeni secretary I mean, or the bill no echo so on mampeni for nsanya de enhyase e ahono mampeni secretary I mean asanti be dey too e chiro nkrata tintintin e chiro brofo hunu e di gumu say he should not try because what is about Jubilee House wan beto omo na mo no hu musuo enye so what this bill no e ba because enya de a o mede atum. That was when Ghana for nyina eti so okay o mampeni no onye na adwen so bitimi aden obeje sa bill na tum enti turumu ne de o monko so anyo ye she Ghana for bo say ye ba ye ndi hu agro ye betu hu anamoni ya make sure say sa bill no turumu ne ye twam ye ba so ye ni hu agro o ka say emre bi ye betena ha ya tena ha ma MPP communicators aka say oh we bill we mo fan say ho mampeni mahama on timi sign da o mo de ya politics o mo kan ni na okrum ha Ade Nkwantabisa we witness MPP communicators betena ha be ka say ye ntimi mpase bill no politics ne ye de win election keke ene Nyankopon chade so be kaya emra ye ba ya no mo keka sa asem na mo start say ka chom so mo sign LGBTQ no asem ba parliament your majority leader honorable Ayaga Esorika say wono edge direction from the speaker wono kra dia na ko no ne ye majority na ko mususu say so long as yetimi aye bill na wie ne de na ko no nko dia na nka parliament ye omu nyina unanimously omu nyintum ne ma o mampeni mahama mfa ne side en hyase ne sign na bill no enkoda na Nkwantabisa say me no kra na say enye no kra Jimmy Ababaye na obi enwu so wo nim de ekoso Ghana ena MPP for ya si da bia be den o ma ya de sa da bi ena speaker be pass ruling say ye mra o mampeni bi ye mra na mra ne ntimi amfa ye nsa anhya ase a it dies with the life of that very particular parliament. That was on the 8th parliament until this say yes are subject emra no to yet another scrutiny na effort processes so and san o mampeni for na abe sign it na yeah, no, Oka say ya consultation afenyo markings. Oka said that was the time and now afenyo markings already concerned say your constitutional and legal issues e wo ma yenya address here enu ntino bill no yes anya enye he made all those arguments. And yes, exactly, he made those arguments. And yes, okay, yate. In power now, we yes argument now committee na anje argument na ntum say yeah yaba. So long as bill no serve the processes no nyina mu we shall consider nyoma okano while in power say enu na the reason why am sign bill no yam consider sa nyama ni nyina and yes okay you be consider sa nyama ni nyina almost set a bipartisan committee constitutional and legal I mean committee honorable Ayimedu where MPP ni mapa na adwuma abo bill honorable Tampuli na adwuma abo bill emra ni mi the fact say in team for the sponsors of the bill doesn't mean he's a part of the constitutional and political committee. Yeah, the court say okay, emra bia LGBTQ mrano, any Ghana mrano, ebe brano, mo ya no munsiesi ni ye kwan ya be faso a constitution na ye ba be na sa mra na ye de ben entieti ya Ghana mra ba tan no. Eso. Na o makoye ni nyina wie. Mo ankasa mo representatives abeto a agye atum say amendment a ye sa embre no no edim sebio wo ye doctor na obi ye LGBTQ na we vulnerable na oba beje ebia nwa ka edua a enyoma assembly abeto na wo hia wo mu a constitution it says right to life is very important and who doctor no men ka say because of say LGBT ni nti afa na okwa hwehwem jimenkwa ansa na ya den ya behwe what caused it. So we are lawyer now ebia assembly bar LGBT no he has the right under 1902 constitution, he has the right to legal representation and no jinema no ye wia na ya sabefa wono ni LGBTQ hun sansam no ne edimu. So we are movie, we are researcher and you are a research body. No we are movie about it. Movie to me tuja say na Nkwantabisa we journalist we. Na ebia bibi koso regarding that aspect. Embrana say men kan ho asem. You see that we are journalists what do? You educate, entertain and inform. And you know the law should give you space for you to do that. Sabi omo to me farm of the kasere exercise nyoma amanfo ni mo behu. And you know yesa exemption in no na ente sabete say we are dealing in aka ho MPP for so monti ase why na Nkwantabisa me say etiefo ni ahwefo nyina hye bibi nso the MPP we nyina no it's just a delay tactics because omunim say yenya pass embra we no let us say wo existence or mo continue stay in opposition ebete and you know let us do anything possible to frustrate the bill. Ginti amuyesa no. And the President Mahama so was saying that speaker asama wakai no. Let us say we are listening government. Some say maka bibi. Okay, monchen. Dia mo pesa mbokani nyina no. Se mo legal committee na mo je se mo ni gidie or mo adwemu. Na mo ni gidie se dia mo ye ni ya right ah. Mo samra. Ni ensambe hemum. Ni ye dey. Ni ensign bill no. But dia me pesa me catch MPP for ni say LGBTQ be ni die. Kiani ki. Emro afi. Ye best sign it so mbo ombe nyanko ejina omo so bet yampne ema aban bi embe tutu ye mra ni ya mamra ni amani ase just because of political interest and ye best sign and ye see etimu per say omo ye be insha Allah ye best sign sa bill.
Better say thank you. Maybe share LGBTQ. You think that there have been a lot of omissions, there have been near maybe Hodma and yet the original state and Mujichumini.
Ade Nkwantabisa no pay epesa me chia wo wona watiefo wahwefo ene other crew members a woni omo ye adwuma mo boy adwuma so na me fa akwanya we say so edemani che Afuano South West constituency the honorable member of parliament honorable Evis Osei Mensa dodo bribie dapa anopay me chia no or born a Juma as a member of parliament, both in parliament and when he come back to the constituency and also will deliver. And opa ye bechi ano na ya bona baso. Ni ahye ne den, ahye ni nkran say e kwan pa e da nanim nti onkoso a na onkoso. Saa na meden chia ne bi ebema the incoming Ashanti regional chairman. The incoming Ashanti regional chairman Kuka I care. Na I care. Unim say Koka ne chairman na obi can be known. Eye ka na asante man de no. E na wo se yetua. Eye ka e na asante man de no. Ye firi na de. E na ye de ne ka. E na wo se yetua. Ache so you be akwa nkode akokot. Koka yobia enko de akokot adenti no mafiri ma de dada na muntua ka na ma me ho ntome nanso na botre ne mre pa wonyama ne ho no samri se obi pa se wakokoduro ba be contest no a ebia na ode esgracia bi no pese ode bra manfo mom ko dise ne kwa enti asantamene ni dana so pa menchi etwato a mede ma me constituents ene 7-7 we are almost done, we are almost through the process na yiguso the coordinators enso eho adwuma mechia omo na da bia me betena menya kwanya se ya na meka se somfo no mo hwehwe ye nyina se o ye coordinator se o ye polling station executive som ne ba be som MPP party sa som na bi ena me pesa mi omu wi a omuyi mi na me so me beda oma no na me som as communications officer dani dura omonkai se eyo banyansafo anamon ne yetuo no enye na montenten bi na oso omosoma no na amana nkwa nkutu anamon a emmoa party no ye besere omo we are ready to serve when they give us the power.
So they obit my ejuma no.
Medase minia.
Me ojide o mu bit my.
Medase pa.
Because of the way our communication at tia pansam no so munya I mean ebeboa. Enti o munya ejuma.
Na communications officer. Yeah. Minia utie de eda paso ane ye bebubu hu ya LGBTQ+. You see NDC form they always act as a honest of yesterday and wants to be a firefighter today. So you can't a honester. A nipa was shedda a soldier a to be bino illegally. Say ye japade, say ye busuya, say ye nipa kubi or shedda fa kwan boni bi so soldier de tum. Nene Ade Akye waba aba beka se ye ma ne kwan na wunu gya no sa na NDC 40 utie nkoma ame ne edi nyina eye much I do for nothing. Officer John Dramani Mahama on a public interview CNN say that was CNN or Al Jazeera mo ba ko ye busa na say wo LGBTQ+ ofwa so ana say obema ho kwan John Mahama part 1 asem na making. He was just confused. Say me as an individual or who? Now said that time me jina na chia can catch and say you as a dead goat. John Dramani Mahama. Ene oni ne NDC for aba betra say o ma pass bill. Same bill John Dramani Mahama no even somebody aka say woni Ghana aka say tia say debi onu emu wo ho haw enti oba be she government sponsored bill ama ya saade na foforo o say NDC for MPP for yen ye delay no. John Dramani Mahama the current president ya me force ya minim their interest ya na emu interest ye o mo de pade ko ya Assemblyka so ye de abagina omo so chenchena amon passe John Dramani Mahama president from the NDC ono say bill no it was passed in a rush because a private people be an sponsor. He want to get it done by a sponsored government means into ono no obey or baba be share abedwako no the resources are shame na o minor tenase ahehye sa bill ni biem e de akọ parliament ami akọ pass. You see Nana Nkwantabisa se wo sensuo ma obi se onnom na nipa no busa wo se ka kire wo se no nsuo ni bi na se wa anom a e kire de nsuo nim e kire nsuo na bose Sam Jata George ewo krom ha no sei na ye ka bibia fa LGBTQ+ won te ase wo ka hia he defends everything because ono de na adwene an say bill no or say pass no na ado assent to it. Lo and behold, through by whatever means onya bill no to be passed by parliament. Sabre no na MPP for ene no wo kan afenyo marking ene enyimadu ekaka krabin kana kunya as parliamentarian ka bawo no eka ho se enioma bi wo bill ni mu a mumye nya botre ne nhwe ne ye. One of them was the media aspect. Say yes ye chiriko kwa ka ye ninema but then no di asem say media no is allowed say omon ka ho asem na ye ka ho asem a ye ka ho asem no enye nkuto ne re don pompo ebeto ni patirim entimo me ye hwe ne ebe revisit ne ye hiwa afiri ma ye nyimfirim ye chiriko ko ne di ne made a ye ma ho kwan e ma media space bia and discuss say those are the petitions of the MPP then. Sam George said no. Send your mercy it should be passed and onward forward to the president to assent to it. When the bill got passed, any individuals be said there enimadu any a phenomarking ekano, it wants some water. Nyansa wumpa enti omunhwe no omunya ade ni ye na se mofo so pass the comma president dia yenso yakwa akwaji injunction e dia ba beto so do injuncted parliament. Those group of people injuncted parliament say omuni ho kwan so mo forward the ade ne de comma president. That was then obekaya banter bi beda speaker of parliament and chief justice and terminal say parliament ejina brane. Now they decide what they want to do. And I was wujina ubebi into a mudo maya yeni chenchen or modebeba. A whole then secretary to the president. Actually the man parliament say someone mumu abaye mra say injunction that the so yeah dear yebu. Now Nkwantabisa mijiri so utieme. Yeah dear yebu. And don't forward this to us until the right things are done. Nanado danko Akufo-Addo asemnie. NPP ye hawnie said ye woman NPP for ka ya monhwe nya ya monnya ye obi di injunction kura ba beto so no chenchene a mosemo forward ya mananado ena injunction ebeda so and you say vindication lies in the womb of time and na me ne wo ka say John Dramani Mahama in public announcement said the bill never got to Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. What does that tells you? It tells you say na injunction na da so no ade na wo so na say ye ho adwuma na mo anka ho asem na ade na mo fo so bi akoma na Nado Danko say chenchene a won san na munim say enhyehyɛ mo ye ho nyina ye everything was okay according to Sam George o ka hia na ontie excuse bia na de mani bia na o se da bi enne same bill Mosemo de kwa komana na John Dramani Mahama assign here 22 deletions over 31 amendments. Eho and how say what is good for the goose is equally good for the gander. The ye ohene was sere no ya kwa bia ono so sere enti sa original bill no monfa no nkoma John Dramani Mahama. Why this 31 amendment? Why this over 22 deletions? Interest when NDC for what you say policy no and as a bill no and also assessor no and as a interest in the policy no and assessor. You see NDC4 are always acting as a honest of yesterday and firefighters of today. Na ya bro eye beye eye memo boni adabia omo pese omo ye omo hihye nsam de kata Ghana fo ani make no crachero and I can challenge comrade on any day. Say John Dramani Mahama ebefre kunya so the bill will never get assented to. I tell you. Me say any same John Dramani Mahama and also say after say parliament are passing even speaker of parliament and no in a meeting say no on TSA the entire ye ba be pass a bill a critical bill like this na or no ya mona manie. What you say? Oh, a critical bill like this, or see ya mona manie speaker of parliament, Abank Sumana Badman from the NDC, or see ya mona manie. John Dramani Mahama say it was done in a rush. Inti
they will be doing scrutiny.
Inti oba be hye abadwakuo foforo no government no sponsor no masa hye mra na foforo na ansana wasan ote anu say John Dramani Mahama so be sign there NDC so be sign there.
President Mahama said Drew na council no advice na they are in charge of advising.
Say ope bibia sign ya ade ope so sign no okuje to black Sam George eye ho adwuma Sam George eye ho adwuma on sign sa original bill no 2024 there no on sign no not this amended one and not anything or no person sign for because or no emra idea and she say on the Ghana for year no was not say obey government sponsored bill and sign was signed one can say oba no obey say the original bill no ye be amendment over 31 or 22 deletions and sign was signed the contractor on the Ghana for and say Nana Ado Akufo-Addo never signed the bill. No, the Oba Obedu ya Oba be sign it. Now so Obedu ya na so Oba be sign it. Now by the judgment of the speaker then say parliament be who na bill bi wo honom na it never reach the president. Ye ba ye sa be hyehyɛ fofra. Ekwan ye de kwa afuom no eda ho eso mfu ye. What you say? Adenti ni yakwa afuo sa afuo no emu a yensan kofa mu amkotwa kwan foforo. Enti same bill na nka ade akọ parliament ma pass na John Dramani Mahama assent to it. What is good for the Guzi is equally good for the Ganda.
More raising red flag even at the time and now more majority. This same bill led by Reverend Timfojo,
yes,
Sam George,
yes,
other police. The same bill Nana Murezi red flag said and you may be say yedishim you may be on so we see if you
and no Nana me busa say me sense you ma say jinsu yi nom me gina wo kon se chenchena no nsuo yi na wo ka chem se nsuo me nka bi hwa ansa na manom na manom a adwen be ne wo mitirim.
In this contest one na essential na wine and so
NDC sensuo di na MPP say ye nom o sensu bone de magana for se chenchena o momum nsuo no den na Ado Akufo-Addo na president o ti ase say bill no on sign ye tena se hwehwe mu hunu se akwansidie ne hawa hoduo wom enti ye hyehyɛ ne oma ne yie no man no ye kyiri kokwa ye ninima ye ma ho kwan ma obi akran de na ye ka no was positive then ene yi wo ba be ye firim kura sa aka ho se obi a wo ho kwan se opese oye expose wo ho a opese bia oye public announcement bi wo ho a obetiri kura the graphics. It is in the current bill now. Say for the purpose of academic study. Na bra ade a yesi ye mpe no hanum say no ye be ma school for ho kwan so mo kwaya research into what say utime ade a ye say ye mpe wa ha wo be ma school for kwan so mo kwaya academic study into it. That was what ye kan ho asem nei.
All right,
enti Nana Nkwantabisa NDC for me kan no kra kire say this bill will never be assented to by the president of Ghana. It will never. Mark my words today. For Kambia say it will never happen.
Yeah.
Oh,
what if?
Now, say we will force him to assent to what the Sam George did, not this one. We are going to put pressures on this government to make sure say their obesign no dear Sam George anyway.
Thank you.
Because the no cannot be wrong today. The na enura enyen cannot be justified to be right today. And this
all right. I mean, we want to do a quick one.
Now, what is my brother's interest? What is the MPP's interest? Say bill ni and sign.
They are Ghanaians. They are interested.
So it means say omo interest no. And say LGBTQ ni trumu and koso. That's why they don't want the bill to be signed. Because what is your problem? Smasi ade no mompe nanso ye sign so a na ade ni aye be ye chiwade no eno so mompe ne mo de mo nkwa asa to so look o sa o kasa mambem I give you time o kasa mambem only say
you should sign the right one.
I killed your debate before you even started because sa bill na mo say ene one sign no majority leader stood on the floor of parliament eta say sasadia de yaya ne dada no nanka mumma ye nyina ya unanimously yenyintum nanka president assign and also you have problem with that. They won't see anyone sign no. We made attempt sa omanpeni sign sa very particular bill no. You people had problem with that.
That is never true.
Please Nkwantabisa, did you follow parliamentary proceeding on the day Mahama Yalga said parliament should accept for us to sign the whole bill? Don't lie. And you know MPP Oma manifestate hatred for the culture and values of Ghana.
Thank you.
Period.
Maybe but let me say be very bad. Then remove
Mahama Ayariga no. Say we should agree to so that president assent to the old bill. No more prepare this new one that is about to the floor of parliament. No, thinking say you see they always take the parliament as
as a Nkrophobia Motomunsuade, that we the mighty minority, we are the group that made them aware. So more Bank of Ghana statement about Bontino, net Canada was 44 billion. Omobeka said it was 15. Then you know, and to more to Mr. Senior Madeba, now normally say woman no money. You see, when we leave these people, omo your man will quack or shit soon.
Okay, I'm
going to tell you, omo the internet quack or shit
first, and so, baby, my mention.
Also, they are very smart.
Transport fare. The way forward for or mine, they are almost monitor the next floor price, but almost so other unions so the say Odru DVL even Yoma or Mucha on they say in be 100% increment or my other factors or Mujina so say and to be say okay ya betum kra 30 is outrageous GPRT for so mukra 20 no mon country then mo mun twen no nyina nkambom na rent your consider the way forward for us as on mine
you see so mama ewu na we ka kire wi ase nyina say wada ade a chi no bia mama asori prepare bia na ma your best bet is all my means so the year can GPRT minim their interest now. When you sound for ya and I'm on a bontia musu Ghana for money driver for mate for passengers soup every day. More team some much or my more a day. Fuelly yento. And you wow. Na 20% increment ba ama mumu kuma ba behind mo yes yenim say e de e how bebre ye Ghana for ba yenim send this for sabe omuni bibia ye e kwan bia ne hono mo betimi dia fa so mo man ma no ye ho hare ye it will carry our own cross carry our own burden in carrying it GPRTU also ye kwa more men soon Ghana for every day.
Yeah.
These are the same group. Nana do dan kwa kufu at the time. Na di obeka bia. No mo tiase. No mo tiem o man ni mo ayeden but nana do dan kwa kufu at the free o man so. No we just fuel at 14 cedis. And the fuel is like enti se en shishaya say ye increase tariff at the amount you go back your name sir brown envelope will be exchanging hands there.
Why would you say this?
No, what do you want me to say?
What am I saying?
Fuel cost what you might ye shall say the increment back upon a backdoor meeting our cost will be ending. You come out to tell Ghanaians and say 20% will you just associate yourself
because they want to be fair to them. What they are saying is say maybe a baby they are laid down procedure a faso or man farm faso and they also monitor the next floor price never.
How did this 20% came out?
Or send the proto other unions number or more and so reasoning say and then I make a choice DVL there have been increment and fuels of course you won't say increment kakraba so especially on petrol though diesel have been stabilized but then you won't have our fluctuations ACT but what they are saying say the next floor price shall say free to monitor then they will see the percentage because percentage now is 20 and the other side is saying 30 and Zadia ye monitor next one say ye tuma yen sama back say a babetum. I think we should be fair to GPRTU. Yes sir.
What you say?
And for that matter TNT.
Yes. Na ko my man ye nyina ye want to ye. But enya sanso ena reality no. The bia meka say individuals who come hanum say didwa. Ghana government didwa. Ye nyina ye nim say fuel keeps on going up but every day. Abane the bia person share individuals say ma omo to omo prices mu. name on my buying idea. Commodities are on no there be a price in cost. And they are too so by 19%. Electricity tariff by 20%. Fuel and a baby a pay air coni. Ain't fuel air cost. Any panel all the of transporting Yoma from destiny A to destiny B. It comes for their cost. Ya kwa kotina se ayen hihye back doors whether 20 or 30 ni nyina comes as a relief. Nana Nkwantabisa pato wood
metio pa
say and a GPLTU panyini wotime kotina se be ye say wo de wo do
no de menu mienu ye nimti entiminka.
No. You see, I told her in communication, in politics, and yes, sir, you bet you may be about one thing. You can trigger it out. If you don't know, I'm telling you today, you can personally trigger it out.
Trigger name.
You say, brown envelope will be exchanging hands now.
So, Ubusa, I'm saying, I need minimum. So I'll take it as rhetorical.
What for car? And I said, can one who the driver net passengers? Air cost okay, meaning is like
a warning to all of us. A warning.
And no pay now in strategy because I said your mafia can or loaded from Sofo line.
Yeah.
One him say or call baby say Aguna.
Yeah.
On Carbona that Obakato so Swami runabout. No, I do 5 cents.
Or drew her.
Or we are not fat one load from Swami runabout to say a no, I do 5 cents. No, loaded from a to maybe Aguna and normal fairly be a bare 10 cents. But on him said, or yes, I dear no, or Boka because fuel and so reno. And yet, let me go by Operation Rough Tactics. What I say, I don't call that be movement.
And then
I made them a kind of a say a dream you met, no one will send your passengers every will grow and see ya. Baby, I'm here, Juma. May I plow the route from a Sofo line to a Waka to now any pipe better kind of sono.
Melasi. I know dear.
Why you so strategy in so no so boka. Then the increment about whooping you know Pako said the
I know dear we should condemn that.
You disassociated yourself from it.
Melasi baby dish.
Trying to do in this country.
Melasi. My memory Oma ho comrade Uma.
Nana Nkwantabisa. On say MPP the way I see your communication. One your opposition bet natural because on say oh there be say yenuanom no nti wo bokwan ya kwan na chia I will say it meeting now and MPP ba ko yi o mane clergy eko edu o matem so mo ye hypocrite o mane CSOs eko so mo ye hypocrite and so akodi GPRTU for the transport union so enti mo na mo be kire all these independent institution the omomonyana sa ankomu mu favor dia na say didi atema omana. So the way you talk to them and the way you address them and bastardize them and then the bema say nipa no e woni say wo your alternative obetimi ayedwuma because you lack tolerance because of asamaba into wetimi atena se prekope aka so obi akoje adamudie. You don't say that.
That's not a question. I think they're harmless. It's a question.
No, but I don't think on Jane other possible things are able to okay to trigger that, but rather to, I mean, ube champion the agenda. No, eda kofasa ubi ako GBB. That is highly unfair. Into oya sana GPRTU penny na uka sa se mo fa no hono na hye no so okay the MPP for air ka family honie and ya mini mabusua for any omo di machine na no mo make sure say MPP on back opposition wa now we say party no was only mo penny nti say GPRTU for 8 MPP for say makoji sika and ma be sama no enti no mo ne omo obiuka na Nkwantabisa ye nyina nim say currently yanka say everything is rising in the country because issues about world fuel price and its annual money it is still ongoing. Said your mama breast crano Russia and Ukraine war crano at a tea amudi be fame no nyati take it wa and then necessary about His Excellency John Dramani Mahama bet na kunya so a yitimi tutu nneema abra na nneema eni eye better kakra fuel no eso beti ye call 9 cedis to 10 cedis drivers any I mean road unions we omo tete lorry fare so omo ti bibi so okroma omo ti dey so okroma ya beti ti fuel price ni diesel man ba from say we omo tete hwe so ha but omo be make step forward say omo ba be increment omo ye ne dey by ebra na sa street of homos issues yi ba ya na international globally obia face such challenge no omo ye so mbetum no the government was a responsible government and omo kwatena ase e ka che omo say look ye nim say problem na ba and omo di kase mo betum a e say mutum enti de ebe ne say some of the tax elements are ewo frango no so no ye be yiye free ho say de ebe ya mo so mo be dey mo so be hin ha omo. The government did just not tell them say me na me abai nti no me nya hwe mfa mo ho be mamonti so the government gave them a bargaining alternative ebe boa mo eye win-win say dia be ya timamuni no ne ho be hin ha no. That was what we did. That was the reason why yet say fuel by 2 cedis and I think diesel by 2 cedis and fuel by 36 pesos. So we gave them a reason which was a win-win reason not to increase the fares. And so my babontia beka bibi and I want to say a statement of increment of 20% here babontia or man kasa mo acknowledge say or we make announcement no prior to meeting with the ministry road. Omo make this announcement no omant me ankotena so omo ne aban road ministry na ambo obo hu no omo be ka asasa no but after so omo ne road ministry ekotena se ne minister ne mpeni for tena se no omo hu nhihye ya aban ede ebi gu akwam so omo hu say they don't have the justification as at now to increase.
Okay,
so these are the realities. On say omo dia ne say ye betum no make say ye ahochira Ghana for and the NDC na say be kai hu ne say ye to fuel mu the basi ebe affected no me so ebe affected me so we are all not happy about it.
I just said it here nana
yeah
me can see as Ghana ye MPP mo be interest ni say fuel be cost and answer prices be cost ye interest ni say o man ma no e ho beto
me na say
so we are panyini now the bia no you don't act as a devil yesterday.
931-931-0551-931-931. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Nkwantabisa.
Yes, sir, Penny. Zach.
Mane, nchi MPP ni na mintia odonoko klopia. Ntina kukana chama nchile tenji ya zona laya tenji bozu chuju. Laya da senkudu ya CMP. Nakatana mepesa mekanese. She, eme yini kama fo. Oti ya se, lolo se, nini kia chumoku fuudua. Idrimu ni mwana anapase ili mbada saudi wako. Anapane kwa ungo wako jwa kwa nsamba. The plan of that before so the book was media could to keep cities and so no to cabinet 20 cities. You need come for what you are here and media residents and apart from that, they move me drilling bra and then call friends of the local so that the our friends of arms are to buy government or vote in them form and so you now if you are on Kadimai, what you are here. And then mama will by the far then they got a ding family near the and with these seconds and the veterans the mom and the money near to see so then in a and the second ceremony in answer okay and punch LGBTQ to about the and the president mama soka they are the end of the bed. All right, let's see how kind of position what you are there anything Ghana for. Yes, Ghana forces sign LGBTQ plus one.
Thank you, Zach. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Say.
Yamia do now, sir.
Roma for the white changes. Make your possess chocolate. Now, maybe I'm a Sompa or Sompa Mass and mine Ghana mine. I mean, your possession crime was one so good. Or I'm expecting this year incoming communication. Oba for follow Southwest or my many MP with less than a pan and a chairman. He comes time about that. I see the getting woman organizer. Yakupon come over. Oh, I am Nayamia. Say Ghana, you prepare Yampe, and you know my easy opinion. You should have done the Muhammad. Ghana fought to about doing at Yaman. You must say, tell me a picture by was one. They come with you, to me, cafe. It's me patcher. It's a fool and a year too. What's the saying? Yeah, can a help. I don't for let me finish as we say. If one day too much, not for the motor. Free, go back to swap of the tendency. When you want to catch from a tonsu, woman, you know, what they go through, she said, what is 60. It is for our phone, we increase the price of it. Yet, to look at you, this is doom so self. And to my soon 24 hours, the corner of the still, it won't implementation be. For my years, a penny, what comes from the good. Linear, my police comment that this will be a taco to my power of already.
May I say thank you. Yanya birthday sinap mensoring ko membre na so. A blissful birthday to Ama Kodriabwatema. May your new age be blessed with good health and prosperity. We free say Kwame agenda ho. So Ama, today is your birthday. Happy glorious birthday. Ask for God's mercies and favor. Kwame agenda say happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Ernest. Ernest, aged like fine wine, but cheaper and with more vibes. May your account balance grow faster than your age. From Ulysses. Ulysses say happy birthday. I was saying I'm in shot, then in Kwamau. Or saying I'm in for Dumu Quadrum. I'm in Pejao. No, no, Kessi. Happy birthday. Ulysses, Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Said you know one and happy birthday, Mohammed Ismail. Mohammed Ismail. Way free Rabia to of Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Ismail, today is your birthday. Yes, sir, Allah. Sir, on show. No more Kumaswa Diemrem. Rabia to say, Omawa Wadapa. Na Nini Aya from. And happy birthday. A glorious birthday to Miss Agnes Atikpo of Ghana Armed Forces College of Nursing and Midwifery. We free Ohene Nana ho. And Miss Agnes, happy birthday. Enjoy this wonderful, beautiful, amazing time with the blessings of God, knowing that you are special. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Mrs. Ankuma. Mrs. Ankuma Takrade Asakai CAC. So for mommy, hey, so for mommy, oh mommy, happy birthday to you. Yes, sir, Jamie say, oh sure, I don't know what say. Oh my quatenting, oh my pumuding, mommy, Yamin your kese pa, copy so be kese. Enjoy this day. And happy birthday to Abigail Boafo Donko. Abigail Boafo Donko. Happy today is your birthday, and this from your lovely brother, Lord Hazard Buadum. Your brother loves you so much. Also saying, I miss all my penny kese na ewiasinyira ntonka na yakra papa sa. It's happy birthday, Abigail. On that note, your first swimming in and see from an Kwame also Nkwantabisa. I'm for Nkwantabisa. So I'm ready. Work I ready. Ember power jidamu gidi bekwine. Chiraw dia kwanyina sports na body nanso so dia boba pompo de oya de nkuta ne de be bole so eno ane so mpa sports arapa mo tenase Sir Prince afei wisdom team now ready to serve you and my good body that be show bibia